Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Verizon Fios service, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly disconnect and handle equipment returns. Step 1. Review your Fios contract to understand any early termination fees or minimum service requirements that may apply to your account. Step 2. Contact Verizon customer service by calling their Fios cancellation department or visiting a Verizon store. Have your account number ready for verification. Step 3. Clearly inform the representative that you want to cancel your Fios service. Provide your account details and requested disconnection date. Step 4. Be prepared for retention offers such as discounted rates or plan changes. Consider these options or firmly decline if your decision to cancel is final. Step 5. Confirm all final charges including any early termination fees, remaining equipment balances, and prorated service charges for the final month. Step 6. Ask about equipment return procedures. Verizon will provide details on returning routers, set-top boxes, and remotes to avoid non-return fees. Step 7. Return all Verizon equipment to a Verizon store or ship via prepaid label within 30 days. Always obtain a receipt as proof of equipment return. Step 8. Review your final bill carefully and cancel any automatic payment methods. Keep monitoring your account to ensure no unexpected charges appear after cancellation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.